Dice is on the beat.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Terah, Tiana, and if you want to see how I got this bomb makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I just took some of my foundation, put it on my eyelids. Now I'm just blending it out. Now I'm gonna just set it with my Airspun translucent setting spray. So with this look, I'm just gonna take my Morphe 35O M palette. I say the M because they're all mattes, no shimmers. And I'm just gonna start off with this transition shade right here and just run it through the crease. So after that's all blended out, I'm just gonna go in with the shade right next to it and put the darker shade right in the crease. I'm not blending it, I'm just like patting it. So now I'm gonna just go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take my Anastasia brush and take just a little bit of the black and put it on my outer corners. You can see how dark it is already. See, that's why you don't need too much. I'm gonna take this flat brush by Morphe. I'm gonna take some of my foundation. I'm just gonna cut the crease. Not all the way, but just halfway. Now to really make the line sharper, I'm gonna take this small e.l.f. eyeliner brush and just dip it in my foundation and outline it. That's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this like nude shade right here from the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm gonna set it with my Anastasia brush. Okay, it's a little too dark. I'm gonna go a little lighter. I'm going with this color instead. And I'm gonna blend that together later. I just needed it to set. So I'm gonna just do the same to the other eye. So now that both of the edges are cut, I'm just gonna blend the two together so it doesn't look so like separated. So I do that by taking my brush, dipping in my foundation, making these little lines, and then going on top of it with this color, and then blending it out, and then boom, it looks good. You're gonna see. So just watch. So I'm making the lines. So after I made the little lines, I'm just gonna go in with the black, and then the nude, the black, and the nude, and just keep going back and forth. I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown as well. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna speed it up because I've already showed y'all how I do my face. You know, you can click it right here. Make sure you check that video out because it's basically the same steps. So.
Dice is on the beat.
I know it look crazy. I know you don't have to say that. So basically, I'm just gonna take the same shadows that I put on the top of my eye and I'm gonna put it on the bottom eye. So I'm gonna take the first light brown shade that I use right here and just run it under the entire waterline. So now I'm just gonna take the this dark brown shade right next to it and basically I'm gonna do 3/4 of the way. Now I'm not gonna do the entire line, I'm just gonna stop about right here. And ignore this like red patch right here. I was itching and like I turned red so easily. So now I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of that black shadow, just like one dab, like boop. And I'm gonna use that for both of my eyes, and I'm only gonna put it 1/4 of the way, so just like right in the edges. Now I'm gonna take whatever's left and just dust it off on this rag that I have down here, and then I'm just gonna blend it all together. So basically all the makeup is done. Now I'm just gonna move on to the hair and keep it pushing. All right, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and make sure you check out my next video that I'm about to post, and it's how I got these bomb loose curls. Yes. Yeah, so if you like this makeup, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I did my hair, make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.
Look, it's all bad, it's all real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out.